G'day, Westy here again. Okay, this is a quick tutorial on Epee. Very quickly, there's a cool button on it called Set Fuses. It causes a bit of confusion out there. So, basically, what it does is it protects the EEPROM from being overwritten when you're upgrading your actual flash firmware, which is great because when it come out with a new edition, with new improvements or they've repaired bugs and things like that, you don't have to reload your EEPROM and configure all, or if you haven't backed it up, reconfigure all your model settings and user settings and stuff like that, like pilot name and your voltage calibration, all that sort of stuff, and your stick calibrations, everything. Okay, so what we'll do is you click on the button, Set Fuses, brings up a button, a little box, says the following action will protect the EEPROM from being deleted when flashing new firmware. Before continuing, make sure that your radio is connected and program works reliably. Do not disconnect or power down until the program completes. Click OK. Okay, so we'll click OK. Brings up with this box here, and it restarts the ER9X. And we'll see if, yep, still got my simulator in, my programs in there, and my 3 models that I've got set up. Okay, so let's see if it works. We'll close down this and we'll flash it with an old version of ER9X, which is an old R690 I've got here. We'll reflash that and we'll see if it sticks with the, because normally when you reflash the flashware, the flash file, it normally comes back saying bad EEPROM and you've got to reformat it. So it wipes it. So this way it actually keeps that intact, so you can upgrade your flash firmware as you go. Okay, yep, it's still got my Westy in there, so that looks like it has stuck. And yep, we've got all the 3 models. Okay, so you can also unset that as well. So if you go to Burn, Reset Fuses to Factory Defaults, same thing, don't power down. Yep, we want to do it. Comes up with this box here, it reboots it. That's still got my original settings in there, my configurations, as you can see. Yep, 3 models. Okay, so what we'll do, that's actually reset it back to nothing, so it shouldn't be sticking. So we'll retest that, put in an old version, write it to the TX, so it's going to write that file and then read it off the TX chip that it's put on there and see what happens. It's coming back reading it, and it's done. Okay, there we go, bad EEPROM data. Okay, so that's got to reformat that, and it'll be all back to stock standard stuff. So there's nothing set up there, so there'll be no, except for my screen that I put into the flash firmware. But yeah, none of the stuff's there. All the calibrations are out because you can see my sticks are one's to the right and one's to the right bottom and one's to the right top. You know, so when I move the stick down, it takes ages to pick up. Yep. So basically all I've got to do is, you don't want to set that before you don't want to set the fuse before you've loaded your actual configurations on. So I'm going to put it on there now. I'm going to write an EEPROM file to the TX. So I want to find my pre-configured ones. This one here, on the 14th of Feb 2012. Yep, we want to write that. So once that's written, I'm going to actually lock that, and that means I'll be able to upgrade my flash and not have to worry about reloading the settings. So the guys that built this stuff, awesome, man, good work, good work. Keep it up, ERAS and team. Right, I'll reset this, reset the fuses. Okay, that's done. Check to see if my models are there. Yep, all 3 models are there. Awesome, great job. And we'll just check the calibration. Yep, all my calibration settings are stuck. See, it's in the middle now, so that's central on the left throttle stick. And this one here is in the centre as well. Cool, great job guys.